Hello my loves and welcome back. How are we? I hope you guys are all doing good. If you are new here, my name is Monique, welcome. If you are a regular subscriber in the house, welcome back and thank you very much for clicking on this video. So today's video is pretty self-explanatory. It is a luxury unboxing and hopefully the first of many more. I am super excited to share this with you guys. It has taken everything out of me not to open this and unbox it before doing this. It's been sitting in my room. I've been walking past it every day for the past week. It's killed me. But anyway, we're here. I felt like I should do this unboxing properly and film it for you guys and just do it the right way, really. I mean, with any unboxing, but a luxury unboxing, like, it's about the experience, you know? It's a big deal. So, we're gonna do it right. Before I share this purchase, you guys already know the drill. Go down and hit that red subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, just so that you can keep up with all the content that I have coming your way. And feel free to follow me over on Instagram at msmny. I share a lot of different content and outfit inspo that hopefully you guys will be inspired by. I am so excited. Beautiful packaging, absolutely beautiful. I mean, the color is just insane. I feel like brands like Hermès and Bottega, they know what they're doing with their branding and marketing. Like, they know exactly what they're doing. This is such a striking orange, and the minute you see it, you immediately know exactly like what brand this is. Just iconic. So, just some quick background details. London is open at the moment, and I'm stoked about it. Like, I'm over the moon. Finally, we have got through the last hurdle. The shops are open, the restaurants and bars are open, and we are basically free here at the moment to dine outside. The main reason I'm quite happy about the shops being open is literally just because of this purchase and what's in this bag right here. I have been so patient over the past year and a half, really. I wanted to actually make this purchase last spring, but I wasn't able to because of the whole COVID situation. And I felt like for my very first Hermès purchase, I really wanted an in-store experience. I wanted to be able to go in, have a look at the range, check out the products properly, and basically start and build a relationship with my SA for my first purchase and sort of familiarize myself. The queue on the day was incredibly long. I'm not even gonna discuss it. It was ridiculous. I'm sure I was in that queue for about an hour and a half, almost to 2 hours maybe. It was just a bit of a joke, but I think it was worth it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping now. Let's just, let's get into it. How wonderful. I love it already. I haven't even opened it. Obviously, we've got the iconic orange box. This in itself is just stunning before we even get into the product, but I'm so excited. I definitely feel like I'm gonna have this put on a shelf somewhere in my room or somewhere in the house just as decoration, because it's such a beautiful decorative piece. This is great to probably mount next to a really nice coffee table book, or just put on a shelf somewhere next to some candles or something like that. Anyway, we've got the iconic logo of Hermès in the center. Obviously it's shoes. You've probably guessed that by now. So we've got the two dust bags. The dust bags itself is such great quality. So I picked up the Oran sandals in black. Let's get them both out. Oh my gosh, now that I can see them, I mean, obviously I've seen them already because I went into the store and tried it on, but now that I've unboxed it and I can see them, it just makes everything extra special. Wow, love. I can't wait to wear you. I'm so excited. I have so many outfits for these shoes. I can't wait. So I went to the new Bond Street store. All in all, a really, really lovely experience. I was super, super pleased. By the way, I'm really sorry. I've just realized the washing machine is on. If you can hear that in the background, I apologize. But anyway, great experience in the store. Absolutely lovely. So I was probably in the store for literally maybe about no more than 10 minutes, and then I was allocated an essay, and we basically sort of introduced ourselves, we got acquainted, I told her what it was that I was looking for, she grabbed them for me, and we basically just talked about the product, went through it, and manifested building my collection, which is great. And so as you guys now know, I wanted these for the longest time, and I'm super, super happy that I finally got my hands on them. So these are obviously the Oran sandals in black with white stitching. This size is actually quite difficult to get your hands on. It's not impossible at all, but it can be quite tricky to get your hands on. I think just because they don't make as many, and also just because it's quite a common shoe size anyway, so that's where the difficulty lies really. But luckily I went to the store on a Wednesday midweek, and on that Wednesday, that morning, they had their delivery come through, and they actually had 5 pairs of this in my size in the black, so I was incredibly lucky. I almost forgot to mention that these shoes actually run very true to size. So obviously I am a size 6, I got my exact size, so I would definitely recommend to get your exact size. I personally am not a fan of toes hanging off the edge, and I'm not a fan of the heel of your feet hanging out the back either, running for dear life. It's just not on. So yes, definitely get your exact size. Anyway, I feel like these are just the perfect pair of summer sandals. I mean, personally, I am just fed up of having to purchase sandals every year. It's just long. I'm tired of it. I just felt like it was time to finally get my hands on a pair that was of quality, that I could literally wear year after year, whether that was through spring, summer, and even autumn. Actually, you could definitely get away with these in autumn. Something that I could wear year after year, that was quality, that was still fashionable, that literally go with absolutely everything. And I really feel like this just does the job for me. So I think we've got a winner here. Just a great everyday sandal, really. I feel like they're so classy and simple and iconic, yet so intelligently done. I mean, you can recognize this shoe from absolutely anywhere. It's simply just because of the quality you can spot, but also the iconic H that's on the front. So sizing, I spent a lot of time with my essay on sizing. I have very, very narrow feet, so sometimes it's quite difficult for me to find the right type of shoe where I need a lot of comfortability. My essay did mention that these are comfortable, but they are also the type of sandal that do need breaking in. So I'm looking forward to getting that underway. Other than that, super comfortable pair of sandals, which is exactly what you need for something that is... Other than that, super comfortable pair of sandals, which is exactly what you need if these are the type of sandals that you want to wear year after year after year until your end of your living days, basically. They're pretty much on so many people's wish lists, and honestly, now that I finally own a pair, I can see why. The question, however, is, are they truly worth it? Are they worth it? Here in the UK, these retail for about £4.90, £5.10 tax and all the rest of it, and they are not in any way, shape or form a cheap pair of sandals. They're not, let's be honest. But compared to some of the other footwear and other products that you see and get from other large fashion houses, this is not the most alarming, trust me. Personally, now that I have them, I would definitely say that these are worth it, honestly. I love the narrow design. It seems to work with every type of foot style, whether you have narrow feet, slim, wide feet, etc. It seems to work throughout. I absolutely love them. The design is absolutely classic. Very simple, very elegant. I love the little tiny heel height that you get here. Love, I don't know what this material is at the bottom of the sole, but it's beautiful. I feel like these work really well with everything and they don't make your outfits look bulky. You know how you can get, I mean, there's so many different types of pairs of sandals on the market, but you can get sandals that just end up making your feet look really long and bulky. And all views of my own, I feel like that sometimes just ruins the whole vibe and the whole outlook of your outfit. These are such a narrow and classic style, and I feel like they just complement everything. I personally got them in black because first pair, and I feel like black is also a color that goes well with everything. So I'm looking very forward to wear these with like my white dresses, jeans, shirts, things like that. This shoe style in particular is called the Noir. I don't even know why I'm trying to pronounce that. Obviously I will link it down below and you guys can have a look for yourself of the exact style, but I chose this one specifically for the reason that black goes with everything. It was in the classic range and I absolutely love the white stitching around the H. I think that's beautiful. I did see the one that was in all black and it just ain't giving. I really feel like this is a much better purchase and I'm super, super happy with it. These come in a range of different leathers. The leather's really nice actually. But the range of leathers, I mean, you can get calf, you can get nappa. There are some that I've seen which are with goat skin, some natural. So there are plenty of a range in the leathers and there is a huge range of colors. I believe when I last checked there were 14 colors available in these that you can get, and that is between the classic range that they have and you also have a seasonal range. Some that were in the seasonal range are your brighter colors like yellow, orange, and there were a few there that have beautiful sort of like oriental style patterns on them, lots of like birds and tree patterns, really, really nice, which I definitely think I'm gonna probably get my hands on one of those at some point and add to the collection. On that note of leather, I would say to you guys, if I was going to give you any advice, please, please, please do your research before making your purchase of these. Because they come in such different leathers, you want to make sure that you're buying the right ones. If you walk and you're very prone to walking over your feet for whatever reason, you want to make sure that you're getting the right leather. I believe the nappa leather is more harsh, it has more of a grain to it. So if you are that type of person, then that is probably the one to go for yourself. Some of the other leathers, for example, the one that I have, I believe that this is definitely going to be prone to scuff and crease. So if you are not happy with something like that happening, then probably don't go for these ones. Definitely choose one that has a harder and harsh grain to it. So yes, that would be my advice for you guys. But I absolutely love them. Really, really, really happy with this purchase. If these are also on your wish list too, please let me know. Let me know which ones you are thinking of purchasing. As usual, I will leave a link for these down below, so you guys can have a look at it, or perhaps even purchase a pair of your own. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was a good watch for you all and you guys found it insightful. Hopefully I've been able to deliver some information that will give you guys some idea into perhaps purchasing your own in whatever leather or color that you desire. And yeah, that is it from me today, but I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and of course hit me up in the comments, and feel free to follow me over on Instagram at msmny, because you know I'm going to be styling these very soon. So feel free to follow, and of course, most importantly, don't forget to get yourself subscribed down below. Make sure you hit that red button for all the content that I have coming your way. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.